all have something in common by collecting things. Collecting coins takes the coins out of your pocket and cookie jar and showcases them on the manteltop. In this speech, I'm going to be telling you about the history of coins, the different types of coins, and the comparison of old to recent coins. This is the first coin ever found. It was found in Lydia, which is not around anymore. It's present-day Turkey, I think. It was found in 600 BC. It's made of pure gold and silver. It was made by hammer and anvil, so it wouldn't be like a coin that you found now. It would be way more rock-like. It was jagged and not like smooth or anything. It represents a lion's head, so it wasn't a currency. Like, it wouldn't be like a 5 cent or something like that. It was probably like a reward for maybe a king or something like that. Coins aren't only in Asia, obviously. They're found everywhere, and including the United States. I'm going to be talking about 3 different types of coins. The first type is the U.S. copper. This is the coronet. It's a half cent. It's in the half cent type. You couldn't go to a store and buy anything with a half cent. I mean, it's not even a penny. But if like now, it would be worth like money if you sold it like on eBay or something other than at a store or something. The next type is the large cent. This is the flowing hair silver crest. This is a penny present day, but back then it's penny back then. It's old. They're not made anymore, obviously. The third type is a small cent. This is the Lincoln head penny, which is still made today, very common. It's made of like, they used to be made of copper. They're not made of copper anymore. They're made of like zinc and bronze. In 1943, the penny was made, it was during Vietnam. It was made of zinc purely. They used to be made of copper, but they stopped that because of the war. They had to take the copper and the bullets and whatnot, so they're made of, so like the 1943 penny, it's all silver. I have one in my locker, but I didn't bring it, but I should go get it after this. The second type is the U.S. nickel type. These are 5 cent pieces. This is the shield with rays. It's older. It's not made anymore. And another one would be the buffalo nickel. It represents the United States of how it started. It has a Native American and what they hunted buffalo for food. All right, and then another type would be the Jefferson nickel. That's made today, still around, common. The third type is the U.S. silver type. This consists of many different things. This is a dime. This is the brick bust. It's not made anymore, but it's old. The next would be the mercury dime. They're somewhat common. They're really old, but they're common. I mean, they're not worth a lot of money if you sold it to somebody, but they're around. And then you have the Roosevelt dime. These are still made today. They're everywhere. You guys probably have them yourself. And another one would be the Washington quarter, also very common. This group also consists of half dollars and dollar coins, which are made today. So the differences of coins, how they started to where they are now. Coins now they're made at mints, or in a factory, in other words, and they're made of different material. They used to be made of like gold and silver, because they didn't nearly make as many, because they were made by hammer and anvil, and it took way longer to make them. Now they're just made at a factory, and it's a lot faster. They're not rock-like, they're smooth now. So now that you've learned all this about the history, the different types of coins, and how they're changed over time, you can collect coins now yourself. Coins show the history of the United States, of where we were and now to where we are, by the presidentials and whatnot, like how they changed, what presidents there are, and even Native Americans and what they hunted and stuff like that. Thank you.